In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and export your Zoho email. Having a backup of your emails can ensure that your important communications and files are secure and always accessible. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to make sure you can easily export your data. First things first, you need to go to Zoho Mail. Open your web browser, navigate to Zoho's website, and log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged into your Zoho Mail account, it's time to head over to the settings. You'll find the settings by looking for the gear icon, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Click on it to open up a range of email options. Next, you'll want to find and select the option labeled Import, Export Emails. This section is where you'll manage the backup and exportation of your emails. But why would you bother doing this? Well, exporting your emails can help you transition to a different email service, or it can simply act as a safeguard for your communications. Should anything unexpected happen? Now, look for the Export as EML option. EML is a common file format used by many email clients to store email messages. Click on this option to initiate the export process. But before that, there's a few more pieces of information to set. You'll need to select a folder to export. This could be your entire inbox or any specific folder where you store your important emails. Choosing the correct folder is crucial as it determines which emails will be part of your backup. Once you've selected the desired folder, the next step is to choose an export date. This date defines the range of emails that will be included in the export. You can choose a wide range to include all emails from a certain period, or be more selective if you need to focus on a specific time frame. There's also an option to include subfolders. If you've been organizing your emails into subfolders under the main folder, checking this box ensures those additional emails are captured in the export. This can be particularly useful if you apply a structured filing system in your email organization. Finally, once all these parameters are set, click the Export as EML button once more to begin the export. Zoho will then process your request, and within a few moments, your emails will be downloaded to your computer in the EML file format. Remember to store this backup in a safe place, possibly even multiple locations, to maximize security. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to back up and export your Zoho email. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.